Hey people, so this particular video is very special simply since, like I said, each time I come across something nice, I like to speak about it on my channel. So there is this her brand is called Atasi, which means blue flower. And I had even made a video and put it on my Instagram long back and all. But, uh, you know, Atasi, the brand, is essentially about using products that involve uh, conscious living, as in not like right from vegan products to products that are cotton fabrics, that so that everything is done very consciously, because most of us spend our lives here, everybody's in a unconscious, semi-conscious haze. We just we are not sure what we are eating, why we are eating. I mean, everything is mindless. So I really like the core philosophy of Atasi, which is conscious living. So y'all can check out the page on Instagram. It's called Atasi, and it is they have a whole Diwali hamper with I think candles and soaps, the skin friendly soaps that are made out of completely organic things. So it's fascinating, yeah. So because I feel in our own way, if we ourselves choose to live consciously, we can change this planet for the better. Because if only enough number of people had lived consciously, probably we wouldn't have had to face this pandemic. Like, or probably this pandemic will help people start living consciously. So do check out this page, people. It's called Atasi, and you will find it on Instagram. And some amazing products you have there. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.